Hello, good day from carmarket.com. This is a Land Cruiser old model LC200 to LC300 look facelift conversion body kit. So if you have Land Cruiser LC200 2008 to 2021 model, you can change look to 2022-23 design look. Okay, this is the aftermarket kit. This particular package includes also mirrors, side mirrors, and the side steps. So the main items are bumpers, rear bumper step, all the mud flaps. This particular one is the bumper step and including the chrome garnish as well. Okay, it's like a brush type. Front and rear mud flaps, front and rear bumpers. This is the facelift side skirts. It's absolutely essential to complete your conversion. This is, as you can see, all the bumper grills, inserts, trims are also included. This panel is hood. This is the front fenders, radiator grille, bumper sponge, absorber, as you can see here. Fender flares, and all that trims, hood lifter shocks. This particular headlights, as you can see the design, please look closely, guys. These lenses, the LED down, the indicators, everything is done proper way. All the chrome trims, garnishes. This is a computer here. This is all the wiring clamp. You can see how many pins, especially done for conversion. All that brackets, everything in place. Even the rubber seal on the top of headlights, brackets. All right. And this is a stop light for the rear. Also, it's LED type, proper facelift. All right, this is specially done for conversion, guys. And we are taking some video more closely for headlights here. Okay, to see better from the back. Okay, the height adjustment manual. You can see those wheels. All right, that's two computers, one down, one in the back.